gracious sometimes, and I felt like everything around me was connected somehow. At night I hear the rhythm of the ocean as it breaks on the shore, and I think about all the things that I am grateful for. And they say, hold on to the ones you love, keep them close to you. And they say, hold on to this time we have, and let the light shine through.
Yes, he is the bomb. What's in this purse? It's Louis Vuitton. Hope you guys realize I won't be a barger. What if she got? It's a phone charger. Hope that you love me, like my rap. She wants to be me, that's why she wears my cap. My banana man, oh my god, I'm quite great. It's never too late, water to hydrate. Hope that you love me, don't get afraid. We can see your hair, it isn't braids. Banana man, oh my god, I'll swatch. What has she got? It's an Apple Watch. Hope that you love me and like my tricks. She's eating a popsicle stick. I'm a banana man, I'm doing what I can. Look at her, she's my #1 fan. Hope you guys realize hot you'll perspire. What's on her shirt? It's Lizzie McGuire. Banana man, oh, I'm quite a fellow. Look at him, he loves wearing yellow. When I say this, I'll pretty fine. The pain in my butt from behind. Thanks so much, I want you to know. It's not that kind of show. There's one thing I want you to know. We'll keep on going, yes, we can grow. Yes, when I say this, I'm so hard to handle. Okay, here it is. The word is air in Swedish from this gentleman, which means island. Here it is, let's do it. Sweden, never been over there. But I learned a new word, yes it is air. I'm not an average American who's dumb. What's the capital? It's Stockholm. It's not fun, man.
Hold on to the ones you